Welcome. Are your energy levels feeling a little low? You're not alone. As we step into our fabulous 40s, it's time to rethink our health and unlock a more vibrant version of ourselves. Let's dive into some powerhouse tips that can make a difference. Asterisk tip number 1. Hydration is your superpower. Water is not just a drink, it's your ultimate internal cleaner and energy booster. Sip consistently throughout the day, don't wait until you're parched. Tip number 2. Move it, don't lose it. Forget the gym grind. Embrace movement in ways you love. Whether it's a brisk walk, a dance party in your living room, or getting your hands dirty in the garden, find what makes you smile and stick with it. Tip number 3. Prioritize quality sleep. Your body repairs and recharges while you sleep. Aim for a solid 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted rest. Your future self will thank you. Tip number 4. Fuel up with nutrient-dense foods. Focus on whole, unprocessed options like fruits, veggies, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These are your energy powerhouses. Tip number 5. Don't underestimate strength training. Building and maintaining muscle is crucial for metabolism and bone health as you age. It's your ticket to staying strong and functional. Tip number 6. Manage stress proactively. Find healthy outlets, be it meditation, deep breathing, or a nature walk. Chronic stress is a sneaky saboteur of well-being. Tip number 7. Stay socially connected. Meaningful relationships are essential for your mental and emotional health. Make time for those who lift you up. Tip number 8. Get regular health checkups. Early detection and prevention are your best allies. Don't skip those important appointments with your doctor. Tip number 9. Prioritize mental well-being. Your mental health is just as important as your physical health. If you're struggling, seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. Tip number 10. Be patient and kind to yourself. Remember, making positive changes takes time. Celebrate every little victory along the way. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope these tips empower you on your health journey. If you found this helpful, don't forget to follow for more insightful tips.